ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 831 सप्तमं ब्राह्मणम the seventh brahmana in the तृतीय अध्याय. Mantra I had chanted yesterday. We'll see the meaning. Atha hainam uddalaka arunihi. So now uddalaka arunasya putra arunasya apatyam arunihi papracha. He is asking the question. Yajnavalkya iti hovacha. He is bringing the attention of Yajnavalkya. Madreshu avasama. In Madradesha we were staying. Avasama bahuvachanam. Was dhatu. In avasama was dhatu, how dirgha has come? What is the sutra? Ato dirgho yahi. Was became vasama. Visarga lopa
नित्यं
nitaha. In Vyakarana class, sutra answers, and then in Upanishad class, same sutra if they are asked, an answer is not available. Avasama. Patanchalasya kapyasya. So they were in the Patanchala, who is a Kapigotra Udbhava, in that house. Griheshu yajnam adhiyanaha. We were studying the yajna vishayaka vidya. So Veda adhyanam ityadi we were doing. Tasya asid bharya gandharva grihita. His bharya, his patni, was possessed by a gandharva. Tam aprachama kositi. To that gandharva we asked, who are you? So abravit kabandha atharvana iti. He said, I am kabandha atharvana iti. Then now that gandharva is asking a question. So abravit patanchalam kapyam yagnikanscha. To that Kapigotra Utpanna Patanchala and to Yagnika, all the other people who were there to study Yajna Vidya. Yagnikansha vethat nutvam kapya sutram kapya tad sutram yenayam cha lokaha parasya lokaha sarvani cha bhutani sandrubdhani bhavanti iti. He says, to the Gandharva is asking to Yagnika and Patanchala, do you know Vetha Nutvam Kapya? You the Kapya, do you know that Sutram? Sutram means Hiranyagarbha. Do you know that Sutram? What is that? Yena ayancha lokaha parasya lokaha sarvani cha bhutani sandrubdhani. That by which this world and the next world, all of them, they are sandrubdha. Vetha. Vetha, what is, how is the Rupa formed? What is the Lakara? What is the Lakara?
लट लकार
प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन, मध्यम पुरुष एकवचन,
मध्यम पुरुष एक वचन, लट लकार. How thakara has come there? What is the sutra? There is a sutra, vido lato va. When it is with dhatu, vaikalpika lit lakara pratyas will come in with dhatu lat lakara. So anal atus us thal athus a anal va ma. This adesha vikalpena they come in lat lakar also for with jnane dhatu. In the jnana dhatu, these pratyas will also come. So vetha means janasi. Simple meaning is janasi. But these pratyas can come. Sutra is vido latova. Sandribdhani. Sandribdhani, dribhi, granthe is the dhatu. Grathanam means to tie them. So what is sutra? Sutra means Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is that by which everything is tied. Ayan lokaha, paraloka, and all beings. All of everything is connected by sutra. That sutra is called Hiranyagarbha. Sandrubdhani bhavanti iti. So abravit Patanchalaha. Now Patanchalaha kapyaha. He says, Naham tad Bhagavan Veda iti. Hey Bhagavan, I don't know. Okay, now he's asking next question. So abravit Patanchalam. So abravit Patanchalam. Sahakaha. Gandharvaha. Patanchalam kapyam yagnikanscha. Vethanutvam kapya tam antaryaminam. य इमं च लोकम परंच लोकम सर्वाणि च भूतानि यो अंतरो यमयति इति. हे काप्य, डू यू नो अंतर्यामी? अंतर्यामी मीन्स ईश्वर. ईश्वर हु इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अंतर्यामी. इन मांडुक्य 6th मंत्र, व्हाट इज द मंत्र? एष सर्वेश्वरः एष सर्वज्ञः एषोऽन्तर्यामी एष योनि सर्वस्य प्रभवाप्ययो हि भूतानाम. So this Ishvara, the Karana Sharira Upahita Chaitanya, that Antaryami. Do you know that Antaryami? He Kapya. What is the work of Antaryami? Yaha imancha lokam parancha lokam sarvani cha bhutani. This world, other worlds, all beings, he controls them from within. Yo antaro yamayati. Antah sthitva yamayati iti antaryami. That Kapya has said, so abravit Patanchalaha Kapyo naham vedmi. Naham tam Bhagavan Veda. I don't know that. So abravit Patanchalam Kapyam Yagnikansha yo vai tat Kapya Sutram Vidyat tam cha antaryaminam iti. He said that Gandharva said, anybody who knows this sutra, Hiranyagarbha, and who knows Ishvara, Saguna Brahma, Saha Brahmavid, he will become knower of Brahma. Then he is Lokavid, Devavid, Vedavid, Bhutavid, Atmavid, Sarvavid. He will have the knowledge of all. So what is meant is, once you know Hiranyagarbha, once you know Saguna Brahma, then you are ready to know Nirguna Brahma. Tebhyo abravit tad aham Veda. So then that Gandharva gave this Vidya to all of us. the Kapya, Patanjala, and all the Yagnikas. I was there. I learnt it from that Gandharva. Tad aham Veda. I know that. Tachet tvam Yagnavalkya Sutram Avidvans Tancha Antaryaminam Brahmagavi Rudajase Murdha te Vipatishyati iti. Ye Yagnavalkya. Now this, who is telling to Yagnavalkya? Aruneya, Uddalaka. That if you don't know this, Sutra and Hiranyagarbha, Sutram Avidwan, Tamcha Antaryaminam Avidwan, Avidwan Anvaya both. Brahmagavihi Udajase, Ud Ajase, Ajase, actually it is Ajasi. Ajgatau dhatu is there. Madhyam Purusha Ekvachan should be Ajasi. Ut upasarga purvak parasmay pada dhatu will become Atmane pada dhatu. So Udajase. Ut upasarga has changed the roop of that. If you take away these cows which belong to a knower of Brahman, and if you do not know Sutra and Antaryami, and you take away the cow, Murdhate Vipatishyati, your head will fall off. Iti. Yagnavalkya ji says, Vedava aham Gautama, Tat Sutram. I know that Sutra. Tam cha Antaryaminam iti, and I also know Antaryami. Yova idam kaschit. Now, that Aruneya says, just by saying I know, that is not enough. If you know, you have to tell. You have to tell what you know. Yova idam kaschit bruyat Veda. Veda iti. If you say this way, anyone can say, oh, I know this. Veda, now you tell. Yatha vetha tatha bruhi. As you know, you tell. Third number tippani. Yaha kaschid vai vedaham. Vedaham iti idam bruyat iti yojana. Kaschid, anyone can say vedaham, vedaham. I know. But you have to tell what, how do you know? Unless you prove that, you don't know the answer. Now let us see. Tika. On page number 832. Acharyopadesho atra agama shabdartha. Agamena, I know it through agama. Agama means I know it through acharya. So this Aruneya, he knew it from Uddalaka. Aruni, he knew it from Gandharva. So that Gandharva is like Acharya. So even though Acharya Upadesha is there, in Tika it is given as, that means Agama. Gargya Murdhapata Bhayat Uparatehe Anantaram iti Atha Shabdartha. After the falling of the head of Gargi, she withdrew out of the fear. So Gargya Murdhapata Bhayat Uparatehe Tad Anantaram. This Aruni came, that is the Atha Shabdartha. Now see Bhashya. Atha Hainam Uddalako Namato Arunasya Apatyam Arunihi Papracha. This Arunasya Apatya means Putra, son, called Arunihi. He is asking the question. Papracha. याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच, हे याज्ञवल्क्य, मद्रेषु देशेषु असाम अवसाम, मद्रेषु देशेषु अवसाम उषितवन्तः. We were staying in Madradesha, means in Madras. So yesterday I was discussing why all these Gandharvas, they end up in Madras. Because earlier also in the Dvitiya Brahmana,
Bhujya Brahmana,
Tritiya Brahmana, they were also these Gandharvas in Madras. So it must be the music season, which is, yes, Margari Masa, all these kacheris go on. So they must be coming there and they have to sit there with the audience to enjoy. So they must be entering into some person. I mean, this is yukti pramana here. Patanchalasya patanchalo namatas tasyaiva kapigotrasya kapyasya griheshu yajnam adhiyana. In that Patanchala, another thing is also indicated. In Madradesha, this Yajna Agadi Veda Dhyanam was very prevalent even at that time. Now you see, this is given in Upanishad itself. I mean, there is no time actually. It has been there since eternity. Yajna Shastra Adhyanam, Upanishad says it used to happen in Madradesha. So it's a great thing. Patanchalasya patanchalo namataha tasyeva kapigotrasya, who was in the Kapigotra, kapyasya griheshu yajnam adhiyanaha, yajna shastra adhyanam kurvanaha. We all were there studying the yajna shastra, means how to conduct these yagas, yajna, ityadi. Further, in Bhashya, tasya asid bharya gandharva grihita tam aprachama kositi. He had his wife in whose house we were staying, that Patanchala, and his wife was possessed by Gandharva. To him we asked, who are you? He said, I am Kabandha. So abravit Kabando namato atharvano apatyam atharvana iti. And he was the son of Atharvana. Atharvana was also a rishi. So he is a Gandharva, but he remembers his Gotra, etc. The Purva Gotra. So abravit Gandharvaha Patanchalam Kapyam Yagnikanscha. Then that Gandharva told these Patanchala and Yagnikas, Tad Shishyan Asman, that Patanchala Shishya, who were all of us, Shishyan Asman, Vethanutvam He Kapya Janishe Tat Sutram. Do you know that sutra, Hiranyagarbha? Tika. So abravit iti pratika upadanam tasya tatparyam aha sutra iti. So abravit, that he said this. What did he say? Sutra. Do you know this sutra? Kintat yena sutrena ayam cha loka idam cha janma parascha lokaha param cha pratipattavyam Janma sarvani cha bhutani brahmadi stamba paryantani sandrubdhani sangrathitani. This world, next world, all the beings, janma means shariram. All the physical bodies, etc., all of them are connected. So what is Hiranyagarbha? Hiranyagarbha is the samashti. That samashti is, we discussed this earlier, Hiranyagarbha is another jiva. But that jiva, because of his Vishesha karma and upasana, he has identified with samashti. Karma upasanas were done in the previous janma. Then in this janma, he is the first one who is awakened. So then he becomes Prathamaja. And then anything that comes afterwards, he identifies with everything. That's why he is Samashti. He connects everything. That's why he is Sutra. Connecting what all things? Brahmadi stamba paryantani bhutani sandrabdhani. Starting from Brahma. Here Brahma means you should take Virat. From Virat all the way up to a blade of grass. Everything is interwoven in that Hiranyagarbha. What earlier Brahmana talked about, Otancha Protancha, that same thing. Sangrathitani. Srak iva sutrena vishtabdhani. Like a thread which passes through anything connecting all the objects, like a garland, etc. Everything is, third number tippani you see, pratibadhani. Vishtabdhani means pratibadhani. Bhavanti. Yena tatkim sutram vetha. So, do you know that sutra? So abravit evam prashtah kapyo naham tad bhagwan veda iti. Then when the kapya was asked in this way, naham tad bhagwan veda, I don't know. अलग है. Evam prashtah kapya. In this way, Kapya was asked, he said, I do not know. Naham tad bhagavan veda iti. Tat sutram na aham jane he bhagavan iti sampujayan aha. He said, with due respect, sir, I do not know. Tat sutram aham na jane. So abravit punar Gandharva upadhyayam asmanscha. Again that Gandharva told Upadhyaya. Upadhyaya means Patanchala, Kapya. Teacher here who was teaching all the Yajna Vidya. Vethanutvam Kapya tam antaryaminam. Antaryami iti visheshyate. Do you know that antaryami? What is that antaryami? Visheshana is given. Ya imam cha lokam param cha lokam sarvani cha bhutani yo antaro abhyantaraha san yamayati. That which governs everything, controls everything from within. Generally, we have the idea Ishvara is outside and he controls everyone and everything, like sitting from somewhere, this person's karma, that person's phalam, ityadi. That is not the case. Here what is said is within everything. Everything means adibhuta, adidaiva, adhyatma. In all of them, that same Chaitanya with that upadhi, which has sarvajnatvam, sarvavitvam. Because yes, sarvajna, sarvavit, it is the knower of all. From within, it controls. So then, when what we are not supposed to do and we desire to do, it stops us. When we end up doing, then it punishes us. Everything happens from within only. Yo antaro abhyantaraha san yamayati, niyamayati. How daru yantram iva brahmayati. Swam uchita vyaparam karayati iti. Daru yantra, like a wooden doll, how it is controlled, puppet, how they are controlled, like that it controls. Swam uchita vyaparam karayati iti. So abravit evam uktaha patanchalaha kapyo नाहम तम जाने भगवन इति संपूजयन आह. That Patanjala Kapya said, I do not know. With respect, he gave the answer. So Abravit, further in Bhashya, then that Gandharva, now he is ready to give the answer. So Abravit Punar Gandharva, Sutra Tad Antargata Antaryamino Vijnanam Stuyate. And he is praising that Vidya first. Somebody may think, what is the use of knowing Hiranyagarbha? What is the use of knowing Antaryami? So he does this stuti. यह कश्चिद वै तत्सूत्रम हे काप्य विद्यात विजानीयात. हे काप्य, if there is someone who knows this sutra Hiranyagarbha, tancha antaryaminam. So this with Hiranyagarbha, if you understand any jiva as vyashti, Hiranyagarbha as samashti, what is the relationship between that jiva and Hiranyagarbha? Amsha Amshi Bhava. So when that Tadatmi happens, identification, that is Bheda Sahishnu Abheda. What we are seeing in Brahma Sutra, that Bheda Sahishnu Abheda. I don't lose my individuality, but I also understand I don't exist without totality. Without totality, like without total space, there is no space in me. Without total air, there is no air in me. Without total fire, there is no fire here. Without total water, there is no water here. So if this water has to exist in individual, total water has to exist. Like that, any knowledge is existing here, let us say in my buddhi, it cannot exist without total knowledge. Any compassion is there in me, it cannot exist without total compassion. So that individual by itself has no existence without totality. Vyashti cannot stand apart from samashti. This, when it is said, knowing Hiranyagarbha means knowing in this way. Not knowing as it is different, I am different. Because that way is not possible. You have to know it that everything is interwoven here. So yaha kashid vai tat sutram he kapya vidyat vijaniyat tancha antaryaminam. In the same way with Ishvara also. That antaryami and myself, we cannot be separated. Tancha antaryaminam sutrantargatam tasyeva, and it is subtler than sutra also. Sutrasya antargatam, sutrantargatam antaryam. Tancha antaryaminam. Tam is antaryami. Which tam? Vidyat vijaniyat. Tancha antaryaminam. Tam, tat sutram is already given. And that antaryami also. Sutrantargatam tam antaryaminam vijaniyat tasyeva sutrasya niyantaram. Who is the controller of even Hiranyagarbha? Vidyat ya iti evam uktena prakarena tika. Iti shabdartham aha evam. Iti evam. Iti means evam. Evam uktena prakarena, the one who knows this, sa hi brahmavid, paramatmavid, sa lokansya bhuradin antaryamina niyamyamana lokan vetti. He is a brahmavid. He will become knower of Brahma. Or you say he knows right now Sopadika Brahma. If you want to say he is already Brahmavid, then he knows Upadhi Sahit Brahma. Or he will know Nirguna Brahma. because those who know Hiranyagarbha, they become Hiranyagarbha through upasana, because this is all ahangraha upasana. It's not external. So then once you know that, then he can become Brahmavid. Lokansha, and he knows all the loka also. Bhuradin antaryamina niyamyamanan lokan. All the bhuradi lokas which are controlled by the antaryami. Lokan veti. Sa devanscha agnyadin lokino janati. Those who are the lokin, those who stay in those lokas, those who manage these worlds, devatas, that antaryami knows everyone. In fact, out of his sphere alone, all the Agnyadi devatas, they function. What is the mantra?
भीषास्माद् वातः पवते भीषोद्धेति सूर्यः भीषादिन्द्रश्च वायुश्च मृत्युर्धावति पंचम.
So by whose sphere all of these they function. Vedanscha, not only the worlds and the people in the world, devatas, but also Vedas. Vedanscha, sarva pramana bhutan veti. Those which are the means of knowledge for all. Bhutani cha brahmadini sutrena driyamanani. And the brahmadi which are controlled by this sutra, driyamanani. What is the dhatu?
Drum avasthane.
Dring dharane is there.
That is also the explanation.
So dring dharane. Dring dharane dhatu. Then that rikara now it became driyamana. Driyamana is what pratyaya?
Shanach pratyaya.
Shanach. Karmani shanach. Karmani shanach pratyaya. Dru will become dri. By the sutra, ring, shag, lingshu. Ring, shag, lingshu. Sutra number 7428. Ring, shag, lingshu. Triyamanani means Brahma, etc. are also held by that Hiranyagarbha. Tad antargatena antaryamina niyamyamanani, and controlled by that antaryami who is within sutra also. All of them will become known to the knower of all this. See in Tika, yena ayam cha ityadi rukta prakaraha sa sarvan lokanscha veti iti sambandha. Yena ayam cha lokancha etc. All this up to sah sarvan lokanscha veti. All of them he will know. Visheshana ukti purvakam tan eva lokan anuvadati. Then he classifies them further, bhuradin, etc. Sa brahmavid ityadina uktam sankshipati. He is brahmavid. All the way up to sarvam veti. Sarvavid, etc. In Bhashya, saha atmanam cha kartrutva bhoktrutva vishishtam tenaiva antaryamina niyamyamanam veti. He knows one's own self. But how? With upadhi. What is that upadhi? Kartrutva bhoktrutva is the upadhi. Kartrutva bhoktrutva vishishtam atmanam antaryamina niyamyamanam veti. He knows this which is controlled by the antaryami and which has kartrutva bhoktrutva as its upadhi. So jivatma niyamyamanam veti. Sarvam cha jagat. He knows entire world. Tatha bhutam veti iti. Tika. तथा भूतम सूत्रेण विधृतम अंतर्यामिना च नियम्यमानम इति यावत्. Everything held by sutra, controlled by antaryami. This sentence you see in one sentence, very crisp role of both distinctly it is given. तथा भूत्रम सूत्रेण विधृतम अंतर्यामिना च नियम्यमानम. Sutra holds everything. Antaryami controls everything. Both from within one. See, Sutra, only thing is, we think Sutra is a Jiva, so is outside. But remember, Samashti means it is not leaving some Vyashti outside Samashti there. All Vyashti is included within. Like if there is a piece of ice kept in water, so it is water which it is having some upadhi, considers itself as separated from the rest of the water. I say, I am this, I will do this, I will go here, there, etc. That I, this is in upadhi state. Prastuta stuti prayojanamaha. Now someone says, why are you praising all this? So he gives the prayojanam. Evam stute in bhashya. Iti evam stute sutrantaryami vijnane pralubdha kapyo abhimukho bhuto vayam cha. In this way, when the praise was done, someone who knows this sutra, antaryami, he will know this, he will know that, everything. So then, Sutrantaryami Vijnane Pralubdaha Kapya. That Kapya had this greed to know these two now. What is Hiranyagarbha? So when you praise something, that knower of this will become knower of all of this. I want to know. So now your attention is there. Otherwise, that person's attention is not there. So now he is Abhimukhi Bhuto. And we all also became curious and interested in knowing this. So then that Gandharva taught us. Tebhyascha asmabhyam abhimukhi bhutebhyo abravit Gandharvaha sutram antaryaminam cha. So we who all were and single pointed to us, he gave this knowledge. Abravit Gandharvaha sutram antaryaminam cha. Tad aham sutra antaryami vijnanam veda gandharvar labdha agamaha san. That knowledge I have, which I attained from that Gandharva. So vijnanam aham veda, I know that knowledge. And I have directly, there are people, they love this. We like it, that I directly heard from the master. And he is Gandharva, he is celestial being. He is not a local person. So you will not have that knowledge because you have not heard any Gandharva. I have heard it from Gandharva. Okay, very good. Yajnavalkya says, I already know. You know from one Gandharva, I have taught many Gandharvas. Tachet Yajnavalkya sutram tam cha antaryaminam avidvans chet. If you do not know that sutra and antaryami, abrahmavit san, then you will be abrahmavit. You are not knower of everything. That means you don't know something. You are abrahmavit. Abrahmavit san, yadi brahma gavihi udajase, brahmavidam swabhuta ga udajase unnayasi tvam. These cows which are kept for Brahmavit, cows with the gold, etc., they are meant for Brahmavit. You will be proved Abrahmavit. If you are Abrahmavit and you take away the cows which are reserved for Brahmavit, then tvam anyayena tato matchapat dagdhasya murdha shirshaste tava vispashtam patishyati. Then cursed by my shrapa or cursed by me, your head will fall off. Vispashtam patishyati, vipatishyati. Tika, you see. Bhavatu evam tava sutradi jnanam. Mama kim ayatam. So Yajnavalkya may ask that, okay, you may have all the knowledge to Gautama. What should I, why do I care? He says, if you don't know this, you will be a Brahmavit. You will take the cows which belong to Brahmavit, your head will fall off. Evam ukto Yajnavalkya aha. Then Yajnavalkya said, Veda janami aham, he Gautama iti. Gotratas tatsutram. So Gautama is, because his Gotra is Gotama. Gotama Sutra, this Uddalaka had. So 3 names are there. In Kathopanishad, I think same. Uddalako, Aruni, and Gautama. Gautama also. So Gautama Gotra, therefore he is called Gautama. Arunasya Apatya, therefore he is called Aruni. And his name is Uddalaka. And Nachiketa's name is
Aruni.
Audaliki. Like that. So I know that Sutram. Yad Gandharva Stubhyam Uktavan. Yam cha Antaryaminam. Gandharvat Viditavantaha. And that Antaryami that you know from that Gandharva, I already know. Yuyan tancha Antaryaminam Veda Aham iti evam ukte. Yuyam, you all know that Antaryami. Iti evam ukte pratyaha Gautamo. So then, whatever you know, that I already know. Yajnavalkya said. So Gautama said, Yaha kaschit prakrita idam yat tvaya uktam bruyat. Katham? Veda Veda iti atmanam shlagayan kim tena garditena. So he says, some prakrita purusha, kaschit prakrita purusha, idam yat tvaya uktam bruyat katham. If like another prakrita purusha, you are saying you know it, tell how. How do you know? Means you have to prove that you know. Because otherwise any prakrita purusha also can say, I know. Why? Veda Veda iti atmanam shlagayan. You are just praising yourself. Kim tena garjitena. What is the point by praising in this way? Karyena darshaya yatha vetha tatha bruhi. Tika. Kim tena iti atra tasya iti adhyahara. Kim tena, what? So kim tena garjitena. That is the connection. What is the point in shouting? Then karyena darshaya iti uktam. Karyena darsha means, as you know, please tell. तथा ब्रूहि. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.